Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the adapter type and that your computer supports it. This matters because USB 3.0 adapters behave differently than USB 2.0. Next, plug the Ethernet cable into the adapter and the adapter into your USB port. If drivers are needed, install them now so the adapter is recognized. Once done, make sure the router or switch is powered and the Ethernet link light is stable. This ensures the physical layer is ready before you configure networking. Now configure the network on your system so the adapter can pass traffic. On Windows, open Network and Internet Settings. On macOS, go to Network Preferences. And on Linux, use Network Manager or IP commands. Choose DHCP for automatic addressing or enter a static IP, gateway, and DNS when required by your network. After applying settings, check the adapter's link speed and duplex to confirm 100 or 1000 megabit operation. If speeds are lower, try another cable or finish by testing connectivity. Ping your gateway, then ping an external IP, and finally test DNS by resolving a hostname. These steps isolate where traffic stops. If pings fail, reseat the adapter into the USB port and try a different Ethernet cable or port on the switch. Reboot the host, and if needed, reinstall drivers to clear driver-level faults. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip is to observe the adapter and Ethernet LEDs. No lights usually mean a physical layer issue, which you should address first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.